biggest shift is gone from being a local game to a global price check, and it creates what I call pricing whipple splash. The biggest misconception is that China is a single, uniform source of quality. It's not. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in. We rescued the project from insolvency.
What does a good client look like to you? How do you know within the first few conversations whether a developer is ready to work the China direct way or not?
A good client isn't identified by the size of their project. They are defined by their mindset. They are a strategic partner, not a shopper. I know within the first conversation if someone is ready. It comes down to two signals. Signal 1, they talk about project economics, not just the price. The ready client says, my margins are getting killed on cladding and joinery. The unready one asks, what's your cheapest price per square meter? One is looking to rebuild their business model. The other is looking for a magic bullet. We are architects of supply chain, not discount vendors. Signal 2, they value process as much as product. The ready client understands that our way requires upfront work, finalize the drawing, clear specs, and an integrated timeline. They are prepared to invest time now to save a fortune later. The unready clients want a ballpark quote from a blurry photo and need it yesterday. That's a red flag. Our process is our product. It's what guarantees the outcome. So, a good client looks like this. They are proactive, not reactive. They are coming to us before their backs are against the wall. They are transparent with their budget and the challenges. And most importantly, they see us as an extension of their team, trusting our process because they are hired us for our expertise. The litmus test. If I explain our three-phase vetting and quality control process, and their eye light up with relief, not glazed over with impatience, that's our person. They don't just want a cheaper widget. They want to sleep at night knowing their supply chain is secured.